Hello children, today I am going to teach a poem from class 7th under first unit. So here the poem name is The Town Child and the Country Child. The poem was written by Irene Thompson. Actually there was no information about the poet. Now if we enter into the poem, before we are going to enter into the poem, we should know about the title of the poem. Here, what is the poem name? The Town Child and the Country Child. First, you have a doubt. What is Town Child and what is Country Child? There, you don't have any doubts about this. The meaning of the Town Child is a child who is living in a city or town is called town child. Next, what is the meaning of the country child? A child who is living in a country. Here country is nothing but a village. I mean a village child is called as the country child. Okay, then. Mainly here, if we see the poem, there are two children and the two children have different thoughts. First, if we see about the town child, what are his thoughts or what are his feelings? See, here is a child who is living in a city or town. So naturally you know very well about the cities or towns. So there we see so many streets and almost all streets there you see a lot of traffic. I mean each and every street there you see many people. They will walk from here to there, and at the same time there you see a lot of buses and motors. Almost all streets you see more vehicles on each and every street. So here there is a word mentioned in the poem, feet. What is the meaning of feet? Here feet means a person who is walking from here to there, or people who walks from here to there is called as feet. So naturally each and every street or each and every road is very busy with a lot of traffic. There you see heavy traffic. And here, but the child wanted to live in a village. The child wanted to see meadows and lambs. Here what is lamb? Lamb is nothing but sheep. So here the child wanted to see some greenery places. Here he doesn't want to like to see the roads which were heavy with traffic and the roads which were heavy with vehicles, because he did not like such environment. But here he wanted to live in a peaceful environment. So naturally where do you get the peaceful environment? That is only in villages. That's why here the child wanted to see the beautiful environment. The child wanted to see some lambs. So in the first stanza the poet mentioned this information. Next, now in second stanza, what he said, the child wherever he goes, he sees only all houses set in a row. So naturally compare with villages. The village, the houses constructed in zigzag way. I mean there if you see one house here and you see one more house in a distance. But in cities it is not like that. because many houses in side by side, but you don't see such side by side houses are not in villages. But here the child is living in city, that's why here wherever he goes he sees only the houses all in row only, and due to the heavy traffic, due to the cars, buses and other vehicles, it always releases some smoke into the air. So naturally, once the vehicles release smoke into air, naturally what is happening? It gets air pollution. But here, wherever he goes, he sees only air pollution. So the polluted air is not good for our health. And one more, he don't like noises. So naturally, each and every vehicle, when it is traffic jam, they are making horns. Cars, buses, lorries, always moving from here to there. That's why they release lot of smoke into the air, and also they are making lot of horns. In this way, I have lot of headache. I unable to bear such pains. That's why I don't like this environment. But here I wanted to see only, I wish I wanted to see only woods. Here I mean I wanted to see lot of trees in my locality, because the trees give us pure air to us. Naturally, the pure air is very useful for our health. So, in second stanza, he mentioned like that. Now, in third stanza, in city, the child like only one. What is that mentioned here? I like to see the beautiful sky, because the sky looking in blue in color. So naturally, if you see the sky, what do you see there? You see so many clouds, and here each and every cloud is looking like some rooms, and these rooms are very beautiful to see. Here, what is the meaning of castle? A large stone building, because each and every cloud is looking like a large stone building. So that is only I like in the town or city. So these are the feelings of the town child. But in the country child, his thoughts are completely different. If we see, here also you see three stanzas in the poem. If we enter into the first stanza, see what he said. Here the village child who is living in a house, and there in his locality he sees only trees, nothing he wants to see. Actually here he wanted to play with some children, but naturally in villages, the houses, from house to house, there you see more distance or more gap. Here in his locality, he sees only trees, and he felt uncomfortable in the village environment. And naturally, when he go outside, the streets are, he doesn't see any person on the streets, because the streets are very calm and silent. Then here the lanes are so quiet, because then there is no traffic, just like a city. Because naturally the village people, they are very busy in their agricultural works. Once if they go to the fields in the morning, automatically they will come back again in the evening only. But in cities it is not like that. Every time you see heavy traffic on the lanes. Then here, but here the child, the village child wanted to see some children. They should be very near to his house, because the reason is he wanted to play with them. Because what is the reason? Here he felt very alone in the village atmosphere. Okay, now in second stanza, the child wanted to play with some other children, but there are no children in his surroundings. And here, what he sees in his surroundings, he sees only tall trees, and each and every tree is very big in size, and he felt very alone. And at the same time, he sees only birds and flowers on the trees. Can he play with birds? It is impossible. Can he play with trees? It is impossible. That's why here he wanted to see some children in his surroundings, because the reason is he felt sad, or he felt alone in the village environment. Then in the third stanza, the child actually wanted to live in a town, because the reason is he likes the town atmosphere, he likes the town environment. Do you know the reason? Because he wanted to see the trams. Here, do you know what is the meaning of tram? Vehicle to transport. I mean, here he wanted to see more vehicles in his surroundings. But is it possible? It is highly impossible in the village environment. Then, and at the same time, naturally in the night, how is the city atmosphere, or how are the roads in the cities? So naturally during the night, the street lights, they are twinkling in the night. I mean, there you see different colors, because the lighting is very beautiful in the city atmosphere. That's why the child wanted to see the streets in the night, because each and every light giving us a beautiful colors. What we see, the difference between these two poems, that is the town child and the country child. What do we observe? Because the town child wanted to see, the town child wanted to live in the village, and the village child wanted to live in the town. That is only the difference. But if you adjust in any atmosphere, automatically you feel comfortable. That is the end of the story. Thank you all.